Good evening. My name is Nancy Phoebus, and I am the Director of FEMA. This is a public announcement. It has been brought to my attention the nation's largest research facility just discovered that a vaccine released in September had mutated into a deadly injection. Half of the doses on the synthetic vaccine has been found to mutate when contacted with the body's T cells within 30 days of injection. Symptoms are as follows: vomiting, diarrhea, high fever, and headaches. The discovery was made after thousands of reports were made to the CDC. This particular facility manufactured and distributed the vaccines to 21 states. Here is a list of where the tainted flu vaccine was sent: Maine, Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, Vermont, New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Michigan, Indiana, Illinois, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Nebraska, Kansas, North Dakota, and South Dakota. If you live in any of these states and received the flu shot in September, you have passed the 30-day incubation period. However, if you start to show any of the symptoms I mentioned previously, please do not hesitate and report to the nearest hospital. But if you have received the flu shot in November, you are to report to the nearest hospital for evaluation. For the families that have yet received the flu shot and you live in these states, please do not, I repeat, please do not attempt to receive the flu shot for the moment. We will notify everyone when it is safe to do so. To all the hospitals, public clinics, private clinics, urgent care centers that are established within the 21 states I've mentioned, please do not administer the flu shot and call us at 1-800-621-FEMA. Again, 1-800-621-3362. We will pick up your remaining vaccine. Rest assured, FEMA, the CDC, the top pharmaceutical companies, and the best physicians in their fields are working together diligently around the clock and won't rest until an antidote is created to help those affected. For this reason, FEMA has released funds to help with this process. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 1-800-621-FEMA, 1-800-621-3362. We have operators around the clock ready to answer your questions. Thank you.